Now let's move to the point of sale to see the power of leveraging OneView's enterprise capabilities with the support of SAP. Peter comes to the store for their pickup and instantly receives a promotion for an item they have been looking at online. They also plan to complete a return from a previous online purchase. With OneView, a single associate can handle all their needs in one system and in one transaction. Peter has a return, so the associate quickly accesses his client profile. Using the clienteling, I can view all his details in one place: his loyalty status, points balance, contact information, and even recommended products based on his shopping history. I can also see his past orders across all channels, whether they were made in-store or online. This gives me a complete view of his shopping behavior and preferences, allowing me to provide a more personalized and seamless service. By scanning the item and selecting a return reason, the item is added to the return basket, streamlining the workflow for a fast and accurate return experience. Choosing Change My Mind, reason code, I then add the item to the return process. As I initiate the return, the transaction appears, confirming it is an in-store return. I notice that as soon as I add an item into the basket, the client's profile is attached here. I can see the loyalty points. This information is coming from SAP's eMarcis and CDP. Peter is looking for an item for a promotion of which they got an advertising, but that is not available in their store right now. But their sales associate can immediately use OneView's Find It feature to locate the item either at another store or to be shipped to their home. I can do a click and collect in another store. This data is coming from SAP's Inventory and Sourcing Availability product. The associate finds the item and the customer opts to ship it home. Upon selecting the delivery option, the product is added to the cart. The customer details will be pulled from the SAP CDP platform, and this will also bring in their loyalty information from SAP's eMarcis system. By clicking on the customer, the associate can quickly see their full profile, loyalty details, and history. The address is automatically pre-filled from SAP's CDP system. Price and delivery details are clearly displayed. As you can see, the 20% promotion has been successfully applied, matching the offer the customer saw in their advertisement. With that item in our basket, the associate can now click to enter the Alert Center, the hub for all digital orders being fulfilled in store, and will see the pickup order that was prepared and staged for Peter. With just one click, that order is added to the basket as well. Once in the basket, the associate can easily verify the details of the pickup, seeing that there are 2 items and where the order is staged. With a quick look at their clienteling profile that was populated by data from SAP CDP with the customer information, the associate sees that Peter has loyalty points that will soon expire and asks them if they would like to use them as part of this transaction. The points can then be applied to the basket. With our unified omnichannel transaction, as demonstrated in the POS system, you can see how seamlessly the entire process flows, from buy online, pick up in store, to returns, to unavailable product delivery to the customer's home, and finally to checkout in a single transaction. As I proceed with the checkout process, you'll see the option to select your preferred delivery address, ensuring accurate and timely delivery. I'll now choose the express shipping method, which provides expedited delivery for added convenience. Upon completion of our transaction, the detailed OneView transaction log will clearly show the interaction between each item in the transaction, as well as the associate actions that took place in all steps. With the payment finalized, the transaction is complete. The order for our promotional item is created, and Peter will promptly receive an email notification about that order's status and shipping. Their pickup is marked as complete, their return is finalized, and loyalty information is automatically updated. This seamless engagement improves store operations and organically deepens the relationship with our customer. The customer gets a single transaction receipt for everything they needed and wanted to do in the store. OneView and our integration with SAP isn't just about completing transactions, it's about creating meaningful moments, turning insights into action and interactions into long-term loyalty. That's the power of OneView, personalized, data-driven, seamless, and unified enterprise point of sale.